Make mixing effortless with the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Mix, whip, blend, and knead everything from whipped cream to milkshakes to bread dough. The powerful, lightweight motor is designed for quiet, lifelong operation. And turbo beater accessories prevent clogging, evenly mix ingredients, and make cleanup effortless. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. The great thing about this is it has 220 watts of power. It has a smooth start feature, which helps eliminate splattering while you're mixing. It has a one-step power switch right here. It has 9 speeds. It comes with this sturdy snap-on storage case which holds the hand mixer as well as all of the accessories. It comes with 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula. You could just make so many different things with this hand mixer, from cookies to brownies to breads with the dough hooks, as well as cakes. One of the greatest features of this is that it has a swivel cord. It can swivel from right to left for right-handed and left-handed use, and it sits flat down like that. It also has an eject button for the beaters right here, and they come right out. You store them into your case. If you love to bake, this is definitely an item that you should have on your countertops.
Mix it all up with the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer with pulse. With 290 watts of peak power, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer gives you ultimate control over your mixtures, from slow-speed pulse to high-speed burst. Mixing dry ingredients too fast can make a mess, so we've added an innovative pulse function. This feature gives you more control when gradually incorporating ingredients on the lowest speed. And no more searching through drawers for misplaced beaters. You can store all 6 attachments in the snap-on case with the mixer. Attachments include twisted wire beaters, a milkshake mixer, dough hooks, and a whisk. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer. Now that's good thinking.